So what I'm going to do here is just start the video and just do a voiceover while I'm playing the video and watching it on my DaVinci Resolve here. I've got the sound turned down quite a bit so my voice can be heard. Probably a lot of my videos are going to be voiceovers. Let me see if I'm going to turn the sound up just a little bit here so you can kind of hear it in the background, but I want you to hear my voice more so. Looks like I'm just stopping here. I think I've got to maybe work on my phone, or heck, I can't remember. This was 2025. I'm going through all of my records on all the videos I've made, and I'm just basically doing some voiceovers to edit it up and put it up on YouTube so people can watch. This is an R72 1000. It's really not playing very loud in my eardrums. I'm using the headphones to do the voiceover. Hopefully it just keeps recording the whole time here. Then I could just enter it in with the sound recorder, press stop, and then enter it in. So I'm going back over to where the R72 is, on the north side of the shed. My dad, he's already been out there to open up the ladder, and I'm going to get out and climb up and put up the lid or the hood. Check the oil. Then I realized I need to go put some oil in it. Some engine oil. Obviously it's fairly cool outside. I'm wearing my sweats and a sweatshirt. Yeah, I need to fix that that hood right there, because the shocks are kind of wore out, and if you put something up there to hold it up, it can come down on you, and when you're coming up that ladder you hit your head right on that handle. It's not very comfortable. About knock you out almost. My dad's awful hard of hearing, so I might get a little loud here. I believe as though I'm just playing it as I'm talking here. I really turned the volume down. That's alright. So I'm basically just telling him we got to go on the other side of the shed to get some oil. And the Wookiee has been activated. I think I was just going to walk on the other side of the shed. He'd follow me over there or something. Ended up getting into the RMAX to go over there.
Warmer now. Of course, we've got a south wind.
I'm going to need to get some more water. Clean me up Mountain Dew or something here pretty quick. Refill my nicotine gum. Yeah, we're pulling up to where the oil's at. I'll walk in there and get it. Probably get a funnel at the same time. Don't think it needed that much oil, never really does. I just always check it because he doesn't really check them. He just gets on the thing and dries the thing. And I ended up checking the oils, hydraulic oil, engine oil, greasing it. I try to grease it every 50 hours, once or twice a harvest, once beginning, before we begin, and then once during. Well, FYI, that tree right there has been cut down now. Yeah, that's engine oil. I can tell by the way the barrel looks, or the 5-gallon bucket. Guess we'll get back in the side by side and ride back over there. Right now, my side by side is actually in the shed or in the shop up there where I bought it. Warranty fixes. It had a big a leak in the crankshaft where the right shaft or drive shaft goes out to the right side to the tire. And so it's warranty. Under warranty, I said I'll just have them fix it. While it's in there, I'm going to do a servicing too. Don't know what we're getting out of the pickup. Oh, a funnel. Yeah, got a funnel out of it. So yeah, I just pull them back up to the 72 here, and takes a little time to, because it's probably a full jug. And I think what we did is instead of carrying the full jug up there, we got what we've been doing is getting the Tropicana clear, just the OG bottles, like the orange juice Tropicana. And it's like it has a handle, so you could just like pour the oil in there, and you can see exactly how much you got. It's only like a gallon or something, but most of the time it's all you need. It's just a lot easier to handle at 5 gallons. But I may not have done that this time. But I'm doing that now. So most likely, because if it's a full 5 gallon oil, then you've got to take the top lid off and then screw the lid back on. Pull out the plastic that goes inside underneath the lid, underneath the cap, and stuff. I really need to invest in a body camera, like a camera to go on my head for first point of view, but I've got the hardware. I don't have enough GoPros for that. It takes an awful lot of batteries to basically keep all these GoPros going. What am I doing back there? I can't hear, so I can't judge it. I need to turn the volume up a little bit here. I'm going to press pause. Oh, wow. Yep, I guess I took the whole bucket this time. Well, I was definitely taking off the lid and then pulling off that plastic part that goes inside. Gotta take off the cap that goes inside the combine. I mean the fill cap, and then put the funnel there, and then put some oil in it, checked oil. The engine oil is usually the white 5 gallon, and the hydraulic oil is the black. Yeah, I've modified a lot of the funnels so they got a lot more flow. If you got them too narrowed down, well, they'll just fill up and gurgle out all over your pants or whatever. Wherever, that's just they don't have enough flow to go through the funnel. Yep, definitely checking the oil. I usually wear some gloves to wipe off the oil and then put it back in, check it again, see where it's at. That's what I'm doing. Let's just make this bigger. Full screen this. How am I going to full screen this? I'm trying to full screen it and find the pictures I want to full screen it, or I had it there for a while, full screened. There we go. Yeah, Dad's getting impatient. Let's get those beans cut. He wants to get out there and get those beans cut. It's time. I've been waiting all dang year to cut my beans. Probably going to check the belts on the left side. Yep, I guess I'm getting ready to. See, I was telling you that I put a board up there because if you don't, every time you walk up that thing, there's a possibility that lid will come right down as you're walking up the stairs. And man, I tell you, right where I'm holding my hand, it hits you right on top of the head, and it's not comfortable. Yeah, I just need to put some of those shock absorbers, or what they're called, some new ones in that ought to fix it. Oh, that's what he's doing. We had to charge his battery up. I believe that's on the right side. I still got him over there. Yeah, I'm going to put that back in the cab. Well, it looks like I've got to water the lawn. Yeah, this is 2025, so I wasn't smoking. 2023 videos. Yeah, I was smoking. I quit back in 2023. Do I even have those gloves anymore? I don't think so. I'm using Boss gloves now. They're a lot more comfortable, a lot more grip. I got that hat still. Guess I'm gonna fire it up. Looks like. I shall travel back in time to read my mind and see what I'm going to do here. Well, I think the Wookiee has climbed up into the cab. Oh, he's walking back. Yeah, it's like climbing up the cab again. Well, that auger's been fixed. This year they had to do quite a bit of fixing. Why did it stop playing? It did. Now I can see the wind blowing, so it's still playing.
Fix that thing up there before we forget it. That deal that pushes it
I
down
must be doing
underneath.
something with the header up there in front of it.
Push it up and let it
Yeah, that's where I'm walking from. Well, I think we're going to set the sieves
Oh, what are you training? Hydraulic oil.
in clean grain, all that stuff. Do a lot of the stuff in the combine, but the sieves you do in the back. Note to self: start recording yourself while you're doing the job or talking the job through.